So guys, here is yet one more LeetCode camp solving video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving. So please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So in our midst of these type of videos on the channel. But anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video, I am telling you about the 453 question like I have told you in my introduction, and this question heading is minimum moves to equal array elements, and this is a medium one question which we are solving in today's video. So let's start and let's solve it. So first of all, let me drag and drop this question into Word file so we will be understand the question very easily. As so let me open my Word file. So when my Word file is opening, so it has been opened. When it has been opened, so what I can do here, I write here I'm pasting this. So let's read the question carefully. Now here it given an integer array nums of a, here it create a one, here it give one integer by the name of array, and integer array by the name of nums of size n. Then our task is we return the minimum number of moves which is required to make all array elements equal. So this is our task in today's video. We return the minimum number of moves required to make all array elements equal. In one move, you can increment n minus 1 elements of the array by 1. So this is one example one which it has given me, in which he write nums and equals to 1 2 3. Here he create one array by the name an array integer by the name of nums, in which he write 1 2 3, and the output will be coming 3. So in our case, when our output will be coming 3 because only 3 moves are needed. Remember, each move increments 2 elements. 1 comma 2 comma 3 equals to greater than 2 3 3 equals to greater than 3 4 3 equals to greater than 4 4 4. Okay, so that's why the output will be coming 3. So in our case 1, our output will become 3. So let's see our case 2. So in the case 2, here he create one integer array by the name of nums, in which he write 1 1 1. 3 times he write 1, so output will becoming 0. So in our case 2, our output will become 0, and in our case 1, our output will become 3. And these are the constraints which we have used to solve this question. Okay, so now let's try to solve it. We return the minimum number of moves required to make all array elements equal. So let's do it. So first of all, let me comment it here, and let me erase this, and then let me also be erase this. So let's start to solve this. So first of all, there are not many codes to solve. There are very little bit codes. We write it down, then we will solve this question. So but this question will be difficult, I think so, because 1,91,000 people submit this, and only 3,32,000 people submit this question, and only 1,91,000 people accepted, and acceptance rate is 57.5%. so it must be harder. And let's see the topic. The topic is on about array and math. So in this topic here you use array and math. Okay, so let's see it. So first of all, let me write main, then we write here some underscore, then element, then equals to main, then nums. Now when we route it down it, so nums, so here we write main. Okay, enter press. Right here return, so we will return our output, and then I'm writing here sum. Okay, now sum minus max element for sum. So we write it over all the code. So let's see it is correct or not. Sorry, let me remove this. Sorry, not let me remove this. I am doing this into the comment. Okay, and then backspace, and then backspace, and then I am writing here examples. Perfect. Now let me exit all. So let me see the question one more time. It is correct or not. So given integer array nums, here we use the word given integer array nums of the size n, and we want to return the minimum number of moves required to make all array elements equal. So I think so it is correct, so let's run it. So when I run it, so it is giving me the error in our sixth line. And what is type of error? So let's see the runtime error. Name num is not defined. Did you mean nums? Return num rounded brackets num minus max underscore element for sum in sums. Line 6 in min moves solution pi, then line 30. Line 6, in our line 6 there is an error. So let's see the error in our line 6. So let me zoom it. So okay, let's remove this num, right here sum. So now I think should not give me the error, because here we want to write sum, but I by the mistake I write num, so I think should not give me error now. So let's run it now. So when I run it, so now it not give me any error. So it is giving me the error in the line 6 one more time. So now our let's write here num, I think so. Okay, and right here num, and right here also be num, and right here also be nums. And when it has been do, so I think so our line 6 error will be gone now. So let's run it. So now it is obviously giving me the error in our line 6. Okay, here let me write min, so then see it now. When I write here min, so I hope now it not give me any error in our line 6. So when I run it now, so now here you can see it, our error has been gone on all line 6, only our case 2 is correct. In our case 1 it is giving me the error, and let's see what type of error it is giving me. Okay, my output will be expected output will become 3, and my output has been also becoming 3, but there is one minus has been also be coming with that. So that's why it is giving me the error. Okay, I in the below I write min, but in the above in the fourth line I write max, so that's why it is giving me the error. So now let me write here min, and now let's run it. So now it not give me any error, I hope. So you can see it has been accepted. Our case 1, case 2 both are accepted very easily, as in our case 2 our expected output is 0, my output has been also becoming 0. In our case 2 1 our output becomes 3, and expected output is 3, and my also output has been coming 3. So here you can see it is perfect. So let's see the submission of this code. So when I submit this code, so the submission of this code is also be correct. Here you can see it. We solve it in the 15 milliseconds. So here you can see in today's video we solve our 453 question by the name of minimum moves to equal array elements, and the medium one question which we have solved in today's video. So come out in my profile name is Rayyan. So come out in my profile and go and view my profile. Okay, but anyways in today's video we solved our 453 question. So now anyways let me meet you in the next class, and next for a amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.